Could it be that the Supreme Court is about to hand a victory to the January 6th insurrectionists? A provocative question that hints at the unfolding drama in the highest court of the land. The story begins on a frosty day in January 2021, a day that will forever be seared into the memory of the nation. A mob stormed the Capitol, a symbol of democracy, in a failed bid to overturn the election results. A shocking spectacle that left the nation and the world in disbelief. Fast forward a few months, and the legal fallout of that day is still very much in progress. The Attorney General, Merrick Garland, faced criticism for his perceived leniency towards those involved in the insurrection. Federal Judge Beryl Howell joined the chorus, querying the lenient treatment of the defendants. The question of deterrence loomed large, but the wheels of justice were slowly turning. Meanwhile, in the state of Colorado, the Supreme Court there disqualified Donald Trump from the 2024 ballot due to his role in the January 6th incident. It was a decision that rocked the political landscape, marking the first time a presidential candidate had been barred under the 14th Amendment. But the story doesn't end there. Enter the Supreme Court of the United States. In a case known as Fisher v. United States, the court debated making it harder to prosecute the January 6th rioters. The broad application of a federal law on obstructing official proceedings was under scrutiny, with some justices leaning towards limiting its scope. The decision could have far-reaching implications, potentially impacting the prosecution of individuals involved in disruptive political protests. So, where does this leave us? A nation still grappling with the aftermath of a day that shook its democratic foundations. A legal system wrestling with the complexities of justice and deterrence. And a Supreme Court whose impending decision could alter the course of this saga. To sum up, this narrative has seen the January 6th incident unfold into a complex web of legal and political challenges, from the initial shock and outrage through the criticisms of the Attorney General's approach to the groundbreaking decision by the Colorado Supreme Court, and finally to the ongoing deliberations in the Supreme Court. The implications of this story are yet to be fully realized, but one thing is certain. The reverberations of that day in January continue to echo through the corridors of justice.